How to remove your WhatsApp account from other devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually remove your WhatsApp account from other devices. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So the first thing you want to do is, let's say that I open my WhatsApp and that this account is also actually logged in on my Windows and my PC and so on. And if you want to remove our account from those devices, you have to make sure to simply follow with us till the end. The very first thing you want to make sure is that before you try anything, simply open your App Store and in the search box, check if the WhatsApp app has received an update or not. So right over here in the search box, what you want to do is you want to simply type in WhatsApp, and then if there is an update button next to the WhatsApp app, go ahead and simply actually update the WhatsApp app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated WhatsApp, I'm going to open it, and let's say that you are logged into this account right over here. Now if you're on Android, what you could do is right over here on the very top right hand side, you'd actually be able to see these three dots. You can see you have to actually tap on these three dots, and here you'll find this option or button which says linked devices, and all you have to do is actually simply tap on linked devices. As you tap on linked devices, on the screen it will show you a list of devices on which your WhatsApp account is actually logged in. So in my case, you can see one device over here which says Windows. If you want to actually remove this, you have to simply tap on it, and it will ask you for a confirmation which says Google Chrome Windows, and you'll find this red text over here which says log out, which is highlighted in red. So tap on the log out button, and now you can see it says logging out. After you do this, you would have actually successfully logged out and removed your WhatsApp account from other devices. You could also go ahead and typically repeat the same for all other processes and devices as well. And this is how you can actually remove your WhatsApp account from other devices. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.